Look at all these beautiful phlox and coreopsis and drift roses and more coreopsis. It's just absolutely stunning. I love these. And I didn't think yellow was my color, but it really makes me happy. And so really what I wanted to show you is Joe put up the plumbing. Here's another daylily that looks like it will open in a day or two. And I just wanted to show you this PEX pipe that he puts down. And of course I capped it with a solar cap and put the wrought iron hook for the hose. And he takes this very flexible pipe so he doesn't have to deal with rigid PVC. He did put a 90-degree angle on the bottom. It's really easy to cut. And then he nailed them in, screwed in the spigot here, and then nails it in. Oh yeah, it's just one side for the brackets to hold it in. And then we dug a hole here to the box. And we don't have the drip irrigation in yet, that's coming. But you can see here there's a valve, and he's gonna put like a control center in here. And there's the 90-degree angle, another one, and he clamps it with a crimper, and then ran it all the way to the cedar garden bed. And we'll fix that. But this allows me to reach the evergreen hedge a little bit easier. And these plants, obviously, and then my Brazilian, I always want to say Brazilian plume, you know that, plants that some of them are really growing quickly already. If you look here, especially these two, this bunch right here, it's grown double in the size so far, but this is going to look really, really Brazilian cloak. Really beautiful. And then this privacy area is coming along nice with the Hollywood junipers and the blue sky junipers and the Oakland hollies. And I can't wait I still haven't finished mulching here. It's just been way too hot. We've been taking care of other things, and then it gets hot. And then I can't wait for these Washingtonias to become telephone poles. So there it is, my brand new hose spigot next to my flower garden. And too bad I just can't see the bird that's here. Oh, there it is, popped up. You see? Look. It just popped right up from the... It's a teeny little thing. So cute. I'm gonna get it a bird bath and a feeder. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Do you know what kind of bird that is? I'm gonna have to lens it. I don't know if there's a nest in there. Oh, I just took off with his boyfriend, and they're doing the flight dance. Cute.